Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to rename a printer or scanner on Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. Doesn't matter what printer you have. Let's jump straight into it guys. Go to control panel, search menu and type control panel, open it. Go to category large icons. Go to devices and printer. Right click on whatever printer want to rename it. I'm going to rename this. Go to properties and if base information will be there, you can rename here guys and apply and okay. That's it for today's video guys. Hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching my video.